We're at the Sherwin-Williams booth here at CCIF. I'm standing here with Tim. Tim, hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Tim, just to give me an overview of the background of Sherwin-Williams and how it came to be today.
Okay. Our company is 150 plus years old. Started in Cleveland, Ohio by two gentlemen, one named Sherwin, one named Williams. And we've grown to be the largest paint company in the world. We operate in virtually every part of the world today. And we're now a multi-billion-dollar global enterprise.
So, what's next for Sherwin-Williams?
Continued growth and continued, new markets and new places to take our products and services. We recently completed our largest acquisition in the last couple of years. So, bringing two companies together of rather large size takes time, and we're working through that right now. And we're looking to grow and take new opportunities.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Very
good.
Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.